Welcome back to my project 10 pen that is rolling style. So here is my June roundup. My goal was to reach each of the products 15 times before I rolled it out, and I have used this Essence Pure Nude Highlight 19 times. I've used this Too Faced bronzer in Milk Chocolate Soleil. I used this Too Faced bronzer 6 times. This Viv bronzer was used 15 times, and I was working on both blushes from this Viv Dawn palette. The first one was used 16 times and the second one was used 8 times. Then I was working on this Essence Stay All Day 14-hour long lasting concealer, and I have used it 23 times. And the same as this Alverde eyebrow pencil, I have used it 23 times. And when it comes to lipsticks, I was working on this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Mini. I have used it 15 times. Then I was working on this Lisa Eldridge that is in shade Audrey. I have used it 7 times. And I was working on also this Lisa Eldridge lipstick in shade Lisa, and I have used it only 4 times. So going forward, this Essence highlighter, the same as this Essence concealer and eyebrow pencil, and this bronzer and this first blush will be rolled out, and this mini in Pillow Talk will be also rolled out. I'll be still working on this bronzer and this blush, the same as this lipstick in shade Audrey. But when it comes to this one in shade Lisa, I will declutter it because it's too dark for me, and I would rather use something that I like and I can wear on daily basis. So I will just switch this one in this refillable packaging. So in August, I'll be working on this bronzer that is from Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. And I'll be also working on this Milani bronzer that is Sunlight Silky Matte in 01. And it looks like this. Then I'll be working on this Viv Face Dimension palette in Dawn, this second blush. And also on this Essence, the blush in 60 Beaming. It will be my new rolled in, and it will be a little bit rosier because this one is peachy. And then I will also working on this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in 04 Perfect Beige, this Essence eyeliner pen that is in brown. And when it comes to lipsticks, I'll be working on this Clinique Almost Lipstick in Pillow Honey, and on this Charlotte Tilbury Kissing Lipstick in shade In Love with Olivia. So now let me do some swatching. This one is in Pink Honey. You can barely see it. Then this is in Audrey from Lisa Eldridge. And this one that is In Love with Olivia looks like this. So all of the products except this bronzer, this blush and this lipstick need at least 15 uses before I can roll it out of this product for the second round. So this bronzer needs 9 more uses, this blush 7 more uses, and this lipstick 8 more uses. So let's see how much of a progress I can make in the month of August and how many products I can roll over for new roll-ins in the month of September. And until then, bye!